Florida is home to some of the most incredible birdlife in North America. From elegant wading birds stalking the shallows of coastal wetlands, to colorful songbirds hidden among forest canopies, these remarkable creatures can be found in nearly every corner of the Sunshine State. But how many of them have you actually seen? Today we're exploring 20 beautiful birds that call Florida home. Some are instantly recognizable, while others are hidden gems that many people pass by without ever noticing. Along the way, you'll discover fascinating birds that thrive in Florida's beaches, marshes, rivers, forests, and nature preserves, each with its own unique beauty, behavior, and story. Whether you're an avid birder, a wildlife photographer, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys Florida's outdoors, there's a good chance you'll discover a new favorite before this video is over. And be sure to stay until the end, because some of Florida's most striking and unexpected birds are still ahead. So grab your binoculars, keep your eyes on the skies, and join me as we explore 20 amazing birds native to Florida. Let's get started. Florida's wetlands, rivers, lakes, and coastlines provide the perfect habitat for some of the state's most fascinating birds. From graceful hunters stalking fish in shallow waters to brightly colored species that seem almost too beautiful to be real, these birds play an important role in Florida's unique ecosystems. Let's begin with some of the most iconic wading and water birds you can find throughout the Sunshine State. Our first bird is the stunning Roseate Spoonbill, one of Florida's most recognizable birds. With its vibrant pink feathers and unique spoon-shaped bill, it's often mistaken for a flamingo. Interestingly, the spoonbill's bright pink color comes from the tiny crustaceans it eats. Using its specialized bill, it sweeps side to side through shallow water, snapping up small fish, shrimp, and aquatic insects hidden beneath the surface. Next is the Anhinga, often called the snake bird, because of its long neck, which can resemble a snake as it swims underwater. Unlike ducks, Anhingas don't have waterproof feathers, allowing them to dive deeper and stay submerged while hunting fish. After a successful hunt, you'll often see them perched with their wings spread wide, drying off in the Florida sunshine. Another wading bird is the wood stork, North America's only native breeding stork and an important conservation success story in Florida. Standing nearly 4 feet tall, these impressive birds use a unique feeding technique. Walking through shallow water with their bills open until they snap shut on unsuspecting prey, their distinctive bald head helps keep them clean while feeding in muddy wetlands. The great blue heron is Florida's largest and most majestic heron. Patient and precise, It can stand perfectly still for several minutes before striking at fish with lightning-fast speed. With a wingspan reaching over 6 feet, these graceful birds are equally impressive in flight and are commonly seen along Florida's shores, rivers, marshes, and community ponds. The snowy egret may be small, but it's one of the most elegant birds in Florida. Its bright white plumage, slender black bill, and striking yellow feet make it easy to identify. Those yellow feet aren't just for show. They help stir up fish and other prey in shallow water. During breeding season, snowy egrets grow beautiful plume feathers that were once highly sought after by the fashion industry. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. How are you enjoying the video so far? Have you spotted any of these birds in the wild? Or is there a Florida bird you're hoping to see later in this countdown? Let me know in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing about your wildlife experiences and favorite bird sightings. And if you're passionate about nature, wildlife, Florida travel, and discovering hidden gems, don't forget to subscribe and join me on future adventures. Now let's get back to exploring more of Florida's amazing birds. One of Florida's most familiar birds, the American white ibis, is often seen probing the ground with its long curved bill. These social birds travel in groups and can be found in wetlands, parks, golf courses, and even neighborhoods. Their curved bill is perfectly designed for locating insects, crustaceans, and small aquatic creatures hidden beneath mud and soil. Up next, the purple gallinule looks like it belongs in a tropical rainforest rather than a Florida marsh. Its brilliant purple and blue feathers, bright red bill, and yellow legs make it one of Florida's most colorful birds. Unlike many water birds, purple gallinules can walk across floating vegetation using their incredibly long toes, allowing them to explore areas where other birds can't go. The Sandhill Crane is one of Florida's most beloved birds. Standing nearly 4 feet tall, These graceful birds are often seen in pairs because they mate for life. And I am lucky that I get a visit from them every day in our backyard. Their loud, rolling calls can be heard from miles away, and are considered one of the most distinctive sounds in Florida's natural landscapes. Watching a pair of Sandhill cranes perform their courtship dance is truly unforgettable. Rounding out our water birds is the tricolored heron, a sleek and energetic hunter found throughout Florida's marshes and estuaries. Unlike the patient great blue heron, this species is constantly on the move, running, darting, and chasing fish through shallow water. Its striking combination of blue-gray, white, and lavender feathers makes it one of the most beautiful herons in North America. From soaring high above Florida's coastlines to hunting silently across wetlands and grasslands, birds of prey are among the state's most impressive wildlife. Equipped with powerful eyesight, sharp talons, and remarkable hunting skills, these aerial predators play a vital role in Florida's ecosystems. Let's take a closer look at some of Florida's most fascinating raptors and discover what makes each one unique. Our first raptor is the osprey, often called the fish hawk. These incredible birds are expert anglers and can be found throughout Florida near lakes, rivers, and coastlines. With eyesight estimated to be several times sharper than ours, an osprey can spot fish from high above the water before diving feet first at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Their reversible outer toe helps them grip slippery fish during flight. Up next is one of Florida's rarest birds of prey, and one of its most specialized hunters, the snail kite. Found primarily in the Everglades and surrounding wetlands, this raptor feeds almost exclusively on apple snails. Its uniquely curved beak is perfectly adapted for extracting snails from their shells, making it one of nature's most specialized predators. One of America's most recognizable symbols, the bald eagle thrives throughout Florida, which has one of the largest nesting populations in the country. Despite their name, bald eagles aren't actually bald. Their striking white head feathers simply stand out against their dark body. With wingspans reaching over 7 feet, these powerful birds are a truly unforgettable sight soaring across Florida skies. Unlike most owls that nest in trees, the burrowing owl lives underground. These small but charismatic birds make their homes in abandoned burrows or dig their own in open grasslands. They're active during the day and are known for their curious personalities, often standing near their burrow entrances while keeping a watchful eye on their surroundings. One of the most common hawks in Florida. You'll often hear its distinctive, loud, whistling call before you see it. These hawks are frequently found in forests, wetlands, and suburban neighborhoods. Red-shouldered hawks are known for their piercing kia calls and often hunt snakes, frogs, and small mammals. Not all of Florida's birds are large or dramatic. Some of the state's most charming species can be found right in our neighborhoods, parks, and backyard gardens. These colorful songbirds fill Florida's landscapes with beautiful calls, vibrant colors, and fascinating behaviors. Let's meet some of the birds you're most likely to encounter throughout the Sunshine State. The Florida scrubjay holds a special distinction. It's the only bird species found exclusively in Florida. These intelligent and social birds live in scrub habitats found nowhere else in the world. Unlike many wild birds, Florida scrubjays are naturally curious and may even approach people in search of food or simply to investigate their surroundings. As Florida's official state bird, the northern mockingbird is famous for its remarkable ability to imitate the songs of other birds. A single mockingbird can learn and perform dozens, sometimes hundreds, of different sounds throughout its lifetime. Their impressive vocal talents make them one of the most entertaining birds to hear in Florida's neighborhoods. Often called one of North America's most beautiful birds, the painted bunting looks like it was painted by hand. Males display brilliant shades of blue, green, red, and yellow, making them almost impossible to miss. Despite their colorful appearance, these birds can be surprisingly shy and are often spotted visiting feeders hidden among dense vegetation. Small in size but big in personality, The Carolina wren is one of Florida's most vocal backyard birds. Its loud, cheerful song can often be heard long before the bird is seen, easily recognized by its bright white eyebrow stripe and upright tail. This energetic little bird is a year-round resident throughout much of Florida. The tufted titmouse is a tiny gray songbird with a distinctive pointed crest that gives it a permanently curious expression. These active birds are frequent visitors to backyard feeders and are known for hiding seeds for later use. Their friendly behavior and expressive appearance make them a favorite among birdwatchers. Our final bird is the red-bellied woodpecker, one of the most common woodpeckers in Florida. Despite its name, the faint reddish tint on its belly is often hard to see. Instead, it's the bright red cap on its head that usually catches people's attention. These skilled climbers use their strong beaks to search tree bark for insects while their drumming echoes through Florida's forests and neighborhoods. Thank you so much for joining me and watching all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed discovering some of the incredible birds that call Florida home. From majestic birds of prey soaring overhead to colorful songbirds and elegant wading birds, Florida's diverse habitats provide endless opportunities to connect with nature and wildlife. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to know, which of these birds was your favorite? And if there's a particular species you'd like to see in person, let me know, and I'll be happy to share some of the best places in Florida where you can find them. And if you enjoy local travel, wildlife, nature, and discovering Florida's hidden gems, be sure to subscribe and join me on future adventures. There are so many amazing places and fascinating creatures still waiting to be explored. This is Christina, reminding you to embrace the journey, explore new horizons, and collect memories that last a lifetime. Until next time, happy birding and happy travels. Ciao.